Welcome back to Shah Sir Classes. I am Shah Sir here to simplify math for you. You are not confident about how to start performing for your upcoming exam, how to save the time, understand the level of asking the questions in the exam, difficulty to find the solution, how to start with the revisions, and also how to solve the questions. In case if you have any sort of doubts, and this is a video for you all. My dear students, here we are going to cover the very important questions for your upcoming board exam. Here the questions are designed to boost your confidence and improve your problem solving skills. This test series includes subjects like math and science. It is based on NCRT class 10 curriculum syllabus and it is helpful for both Karnataka State Board and CBSE board students. And also, we are going to cover in this test series for the subjects Kannada and for social science. My dear students, as you can see here, this is mathematics test number one. Here we have covered the most important questions, the expected questions for your upcoming board exam. As you can see, the first main each carries 1 mark, and the second main each carries 2 marks, and the third main each carries 3 marks, and the fourth main each carries 4 marks. In similar manner, we are going to cover the still more number of very important questions in the upcoming test series. I hope you all have got the thing like what we want to do for you people. Hope so it will be much benefited and these are the very important questions for your upcoming board exam. In the next video, we'll discuss the questions on the next subjects along with test series for the respective subjects. Like, share, comment, and subscribe for updates on future videos. If you want to download this page, in the below description, there'll be a given link. Just click that link. From that, you can download this paper and you can start answering. Apart from that, one more most important point I just want to mention here. The solutions, once if you have solved these questions, example, let me say question number main 2, question number 2, find the sum of first 20 terms of an AP. Whatever the answer you get in the comment section, you can just write question main and question number and you can just write the key answer. Like this, even our other students also will be sharing the key answers. You can just compare your answer with the respective other students' answer. If your both the answers are matching, then your answer is right. Okay. So in this manner, you can cross check the answers what you have got. Take care. All the best. Keep watching to our YouTube channel, Shah Sir Classes.